for all of this as we set ourselves up post what for many people was a vacation week. Stephanie Link, Hightower Chief Investment Officer, she's a CNBC contributor. School is back in session, and so are the markets. Stephanie, what are you doing?
Good morning. I'm buying. I was adding last week to a few names in Broadcom, in CrowdStrike, in Chipotle, and I think you want to be adding to stocks on weakness if we get it, and today we're getting it a little bit. September should be likely a little bit volatile, and I think you want to use that weakness to be adding. I mean, we got through two big hurdles over the last couple of weeks, Andrew. We got through Jackson Hole. We had a very dovish Fed Chair Powell, and then we got through NVIDIA, which was actually quite good. I know it sold off on the news, but the numbers were really good. The AI boom continues, and so in the meantime, you have the economy growing. We had a GDP second quarter that was revised higher to 3%. The Atlanta Fed tracker for the third quarter is at 2.5%. You had pretty good PCE on Friday, and so I think all that translates into pretty good earnings, and so that's why I want to be adding to weakness if we get it.
You said you think this is going to be a bit of a choppy period. We always wonder how choppy it's going to be. Yeah. When you think about both the number we're going to get on Friday and also overlay the election, that's what we were talking about earlier in terms of, I said there was going to be there's a sprint from Labor Day to Christmas. Joe said there's a sprint for 68 days with the sprint to the election in the middle. It's the intermission.
63 days.
It's the intermission of the of the big show. So how does that matter or not in your mind right now to how equities are moving?
Well, yeah, I mean, I think you are going to see some choppiness over the next couple of months. But again, if I look at kind of what the economy is doing, the economy has been resilient. I mean, this is an economy that just won't quit. And if you look at a lot of the data that I just mentioned, in addition to kind of GDP and the revisions there, you've had ISM services that have actually been good. The new orders within ISM services have been very strong. And the employment numbers, by the way, within the ISM services has been actually better than expected. I think Friday is going to be fine. I think we get, maybe we get a little bit of chop on the news, but I think overall we are growing. If we're growing 2.5% in the economy, earnings can actually be 8 to 10%. And you can see it broadening out. We are starting to see a broadening out in the markets, which is very encouraging, Andrew. I mean, this morning you've had a whole slew of upgrades in some of the banks. I mean, the bank sector, they're trading like 1x book. And they have great dividends, and they have good capital. And so that's a sector that I really like. Industrials I really like because you have this whole renaissance going on with onshoring, reshoring. Right. The consumer is choppy, mixed, but I think you have some winners and losers. Winners are Target, Walmart, and Costco. Everybody else, I think there are some issues there. But I think you can pick and choose.
Give me the tech AI story in your mind right now. Because I think that there's still it feels like such a jump ball at this point.
I know. No, I mean, I don't think it's a jump ball. I think the stocks have actually had such a nice run. So it's hard to, the risk reward is not great. But I do think that you're still in very early innings. You've got a total addressable market of like $1 trillion. I thought it was very interesting last week. Marvell reported a good number, and it was their AI business was good, but it was their non-AI, the cyclical businesses that are starting to see a recovery. That's why I like Broadcom. I don't want to play it for the quarters per se, but I do think if you have AI and the AI orders are running up something like 200% for Broadcom, and then you have now the cyclical part, the non-AI business, which Marvell just told us was actually recovering. That business for Broadcom, their orders grew 30% last quarter. So I think that there are ways to play it. I think you definitely want to have exposure, and you want to use the volatility to be adding to those names.
We're going to hear from Apple about a week from yesterday, in terms of Monday next week, with their new product offering, the new phones and everything else. Do you buy into the sort of whatever you think the Apple move is going to be ahead of that? Do you wait to hear what you're going to see? Do we pretty much know what we're going to see?
Well, the stock is up 30% from May. And so actually, I've been trimming Apple. I like it really a lot for the long term. But I do think that The expectations are a lot higher. I do think you are going to see a whole refresh cycle, but I don't know if it happens right away, Andrew. And while it might be exciting what we hear about, and for the long term in terms of AI and in the phones and the refresh. But I'm not sure we're going to get a lot of answers next week, and the stock has run quite a bit. So that's why I was kind of taking some profits. Everybody hated this thing, right, in the spring, and that's when I was adding to it. And so now people, are really jazzed up about it, and I think it's time just to take some chips off the table.
A little bit like Buffett, though. Buffett took him off earlier. Buffett actually took him off back in May, in fact. So he missed a little bit of that upside. We'll see where things land. We'll call you Mrs. Buffett this morning.